Hello students, welcome to math series of class 8th, and this is the 7th video of this series. And if you haven't watched the all previous videos, then go to our channel and watch those all previous videos so that you could understand this one easily. Alright, so in this video we are going to discuss two most important topics of the chapter, that are representation of rational numbers on the number line, and the second one is rational numbers between two rational numbers, as you can see on the screen as well. So let's get started. So we are going to start this video with the first topic that you can see on the screen as well, that is representation of rational numbers on the number line. Now let's take an example, that is, if you are to represent -3/7 on the number line, then how will you represent this rational number on the number line? This one, how will you represent? So let's make a line, that is a number line. You can call it number line. That is, you can see on the screen as well that what you are to do, you are to write 0 as 0/7. Why 0/7? If you divide by any number, if you divide 0 by any number, because you always get 0, don't we? So that is why we can write 0 as 0/7, 0.5, 0.8, whatever you want to write. So we can write 0 as using any number as denominator. All right, so why are we writing 0 as 0.7 in this example? Because we are to write -3/7. all right, so in -3/7 we have 7 as denominator. That is why we have written 0 as 0.7, so that we can represent this -3/7 on the number line easily. Now move to the left side. So when we move to left of 0, we get 1. So we have 7 as denominator, so we will write -1/7. all right, now move to left of -1/7, we get -2/7, and then we get -3/7. That's how we represent rational number on the number line. So what you are to do, you are to write 0 using the denominator of that rational number. That is the basic thing of representing any number on any rational number on the number line. You can take another example, like let's take 2/5. So how will you write 0 on the number line? Just write this 0 as 0.5, and then move to right of 0, we get 1/5, and then we get 2/5, don't we? So the basic concept is that you are to write 0 using the denominator of that rational number. Then you can easily represent any rational number on the number line, moving left or right side of 0 accordingly. All right, now moving to next point of this video, that is, how do we find rational numbers between two rational numbers. All right, so let's take an example, that is also example number 7 of your syllabus, which is available on page number 18. You can see over here. So what you have to do, you have to find 10 rational numbers between -5/6 and -5/8. Now what is the basic concept of finding rational numbers between two rational numbers? You are to make the denominators of those two numbers same. That is the basic thing of finding rational numbers between two rational numbers, right? So what we are to do, you are to make rational we are to make the denominators of those two rational numbers same. That is the basic thing. Then how will we make the denominators same? You are to multiply the another's denominators on the upper side and the lower side of the first rational number. Let's take that is minus 516 the first rational number and minus 518 is the second rational number. So you are to take first rational number over here, that is minus 5/6. Alright, and take the denominator of the second rational number, that is 8. Alright, and now multiply this denominator with the first rational number, that is minus 5/6 on the upper side and the lower side as well. Alright, you can see over here 8/8. So we get the minus 40/48. And with the second rational number, that is minus 518, you can see, and you are to multiply this rational number with the denominator of first rational number, that is 6, this one. So you have to multiply the second rational number with the denominator of first rational number on the upper side and the lower side as well. So that is why it could be balanced now. So we are to multiply the denominator on the upper side and the lower side as well. So we get the 48 over here in denominator, and the numerator we get the 30. So you can easily see that now the denominators of these two rational numbers are same, that is 48 and 48. So first thing of finding rational numbers between two rational numbers is you are to make the denominators of those two rational numbers same. That is the basic thing. And you can use another concepts of making a denominator of rational numbers same. You can use the you can take LCM of 6 and 8 first of these two denominators, and then you can multiply accordingly. So the one of the easiest way of making denominators same, you can multiply the denominator you can multiply the denominator of other rational numbers with the first rational number on the upper side and the lower side as well, as you can see. So now minus 5/6 has become 40/48, you can see, and minus 5/8 has become 30/48. Isn't this so? Now you can easily get the 10 rational numbers between minus 40 and 30. So you can write easily minus 39/48, minus 38/48, minus 37/48, minus 36, and then 35, minus 34, minus 30, like minus 29/48. You can get so many over here. So you can get number of the many what number you want. You can get thousands and hundreds of the rational numbers between two rational numbers using this concept. And if you want more numbers between two rational numbers, you can use the concept of equivalent rational numbers, and by multiplying these two rational numbers by a number, like if you want more rational numbers between these two given rational numbers, you can get the bigger denominator, like using the concept of equivalent rational numbers. So we have minus 40/8. Now how will I get the bigger denominator over here? By multiplying by using the concept of equivalent rational numbers, that is we will multiply this number using any number, that is 6. So now you can get the bigger denominator over here, then you can get the another rational numbers as well. So now using these concepts, you can get so many numbers between so many rational numbers between two rational numbers. So basic thing of getting rational numbers between two rational numbers is you are to make the denominators of given rational numbers same. And how will you make those denominator? Using the concept of we can say equivalent rational numbers. And which number will you use? Seeing the others denominator, each other's denominators. All right, so that's how you can get the rational numbers between two rational numbers. And this is these two are the topics of exercise 1.2. and now you can solve all the questions of exercise 1.2 as well. As you can see on the screen as well, you can solve these all questions of exercise 1.2. and now we have discussed all the concept of chapter first, so you can solve all the questions of chapter first, that is rational numbers. So on this note we conclude this video. Thanks for watching.